Hello again, this is going to be a video of loading a film into your EOS 600 camera, or my EOS 600 camera, SLR. Why? Because I can, and because the world needs a video like this. It's pretty straightforward. Just load the film in the right orientation, just like any SLR that's out there. Pull the film until we reach the marker. Your camera should be on. For some reason you can't see. Okay. Here's the film marker. It means the camera's detected the film. Just close it and it's ready. Here it is. First exposure, and the film is ready to roll. Okay, hope that helps.